So today I'm going to show you how to do transfers on SoFi Money. So we're going to have the app loaded up in real time so you can follow along step by step. Now, if you don't already have the app downloaded, I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below so you can sign up. Helps support out the channel, but it also gives you a nice little bonus for doing so. Now, what we're going to be doing is looking at this app right over here in real time so we can kind of show you exactly what you need to do. Now, of course, there are different types of transfers that you can do, whether it's transferring into the account, transferring out of the account, or even transferring to a friend or family member. Now, going with the latter, you do need to have the other person have a SoFi Money account to do a quick transition. Now, the really cool thing is it's an almost instant transfer for you. So the quickest way to actually do this is click on the transfer button once we have the app loaded up here in real time. So once we do that, you'll see an option that says send money to a friend. So if we click on this option here, it actually takes you to an area where you can type in the phone number of the person you want to send this money to. Now, of course, make sure that they have an account already on file, so that way when you send that money, everything kind of runs a little bit smoother. So from this section right over here, it's just going to ask you how much you want to go ahead and send to this person. I'm going to go ahead and just send 8 cents here just to make the even $10 we have in the account. And then from here, you can put a little note. So you can say YouTube. Oops, that didn't spell it right. So you can type in YouTube video. All right. And then from here, you can do the frequency if you want to just do a one time, or if you want to do it on the first of every single month. And then once everything looks good, it does actually tell us we need to do $1. So I'm going to switch this over to $1. And then you're going to click on the next button right over here. And over here, it's going to just verify everything looks correct before you move on to the next page. And if it does, we're going to go ahead and click on pay right over here. And it says you sent $1 to the person that you just sent it to. Click on done. And that money is instantly taken from your account. And within usually about just a few seconds, it goes into their SoFi Money account. Now, I want you to keep on learning and growing with utilizing SoFi Money. So check out my video right over here to keep on growing.